Hey everyone, this is my video on Introduction to Counting Techniques. In this topic, we will develop techniques for counting. Now, when you hear the word count, you probably think about listing or enumerating objects. For example, how many siblings do you have? Or count the number of students enrolled in MAT202 this term. Or how many buildings are there in the UTM campus? These are straightforward to count. You can just walk around the UTM campus to answer the third question, for example. Now, sometimes counting is impossible to do. For instance, how many hair follicles are on your head? I can't draw. Whatever. How many times did you inhale yesterday? Right, so you can probably estimate the correct numbers to these questions, but these are not the types of problems we will be looking at in this course. In this course, we are interested in counting the number of different ways a given scenario or condition can happen, where a simple listing or enumeration may not work well, but where we can apply what we call counting techniques to get the answer in an efficient manner. For instance, how many ways can a teacher distribute 14 apples? That doesn't look like an apple, but whatever. To 5 students, so that each student gets at least 1 apple. Also, look at the second question. How many ways can 30 students break into groups of 3? Right, so you may have 30 of you in a tutorial section, for instance. Don't worry, I'm not going to draw 30 stick people here, just 9. And one possible way of grouping these 9 students into 3 groups of 3 is the following. Maybe we can do something like this, and the rest form another group, right? So that's 3 groups of 3. How many possible combinations are there? Now, you will be able to answer both of these questions by the end of this course. But for now, I encourage you to play around with these problems and think about how these quantities can be counted efficiently.